Let's break down an ASWB question using Savvy's strategy method. Follow along with the question on your screen. A recently immigrated client witnesses trauma, appears guarded and fearful. What should you do first? Before jumping to answers, identify where we are. This is the beginning phase. Our role is building trust and safety, not deep trauma work yet. The priority problem? The client is fearful and guarded. The qualifier is first, the most important action. Answer A. Too early for trauma exploration. Answer B. Using children as interpreters is incorrect and unsafe. Answer C is correct. Focus on safety, validation, and trust. Remember, rapport first, intervention later. Did you get it right? If this breakdown helped you better understand how to approach ASWB exam questions strategically, make sure you check out the Immigrant Care and Cultural Safety Masterclass. Inside the Masterclass, we go far beyond just reviewing content. You will learn how to break down immigration-related ASWB questions step by step using real exam strategy, trauma-informed reasoning, cultural competence, ethics, sequencing, and advocacy-based approaches. We cover trauma-informed care, cultural safety, ethical dilemmas, confidentiality concerns, systemic barriers, and how to identify the best, first, and next answers with confidence. You will also get realistic practice questions, strategic breakdowns, and practical test-taking guidance designed to help you think like the exam. So if you are ready to stop second-guessing yourself and start approaching these questions with more confidence and strategy, check out the Immigrant Care and Cultural Safety Masterclass today. Visit www.savvysocialworkerexamprep.com and continue preparing. #TheSavvyWay.